Good morning, grade 9 students. Today we're going to practice on some typical exercises related to chapter 5 DC voltage. So, the only objective for today is to solve and practice on typical questions. So, if you please, you have to prepare a notebook, a pen, and a calculator, and as usual I would like to ask you to pause the video whenever you read a question, just to give yourself time in order to think about the question and to write your own answer. Let's start with the first problem. First of all, the given and the adjacent document. The given diagram represents an electric circuit that consists of a dry cell that provides a direct current voltage of 12 volts. Do you remember the acronym for this direct current voltage? Yes, it's DC voltage. And sends an electric current of 500 milliampere, an ammeter, and 3 lamps, L1, L2, and L3, where these 2 lamps, L2 and L3, are identical, and the voltage across L2 is 4 volts. Starting with the first question, find the voltage U, P, A across the closed switch. I'm gonna move directly into the answer because you have seen such a question before. UPA is 0 volts because the closed switch acts as a connecting wire. Moving to the second question, determine UCD, UEF, and UFN. If you notice, we're talking about connecting wires. So the voltage is equal to 0 across the 3 parts. Moving to the third question. Determine the voltage across L3 and L1. You can pause the video, think about the question and the possible answer. Starting with lamp L3. If we check the terminals of this lamp, you will see that we are talking about the voltage U, D, E, which is the same for lamp L2, U, D, E. So these 2 lamps share the same terminals. So these 2 lamps, as you can see, are connected in parallel, sharing the same terminals, so they have the same potential difference. And we can simply say that they have the same voltage according to the law of uniqueness of voltage in parallel connection. We still have to get the voltage across the terminals of L1. So we're talking about UBC. In order to get this voltage, let's think about the voltage of the whole circuit. So UPN is equal to UPA, this branch, and then AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, and FN.